Three more Minnesota turkey farms have been hit by probable cases of bird flu, raising the state's total to 97. The Minnesota Board of Animal Health says the presumptive new cases reported Wednesday include flocks in Brown, Meeker, and Candy-Ojai counties. Flock sizes for the affected farms are still being determined, but the outbreaks have cost Minnesota producers more than 8 million turkeys and chickens since early March.
If you've enjoyed this segment of Lakeland News, please consider making a tax-deductible contribution to Lakeland Public Television.